the first magnetic compass. Are you ready to discover how the first magnetic compass was used? Let's set out on this adventure and learn all about it. A long time ago, sailors and explorers needed a way to find their way across the oceans. They used a special tool called a magnetic compass. The first magnetic compass was used in China about 2,000 years ago. It helped people navigate by pointing toward the North Pole, known as magnetic north. The compass works because it uses a magnetized needle. The needle points towards the Earth's magnetic north, helping people find their direction. Sailors and explorers would use the compass to chart their course and stay on track. It was very important for long journeys across the sea. When you move the compass, the needle always points to the north. This way you can figure out which direction you're going. Today we use modern compasses in many adventures, like hiking and camping. The compass helps us explore safely and find our way. Even though we have GPS now, the magnetic compass is still an important part of navigation history. It was one of the first tools that helped people explore the world. Now you know about the history of the magnetic compass and how it helped explorers. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.